Hey, it's Matt the Mobile Hunter with McGee Farms, and I'm on my New Holland 1720 tractor. We've had this for a while. I love this tractor. One thing, if you've had a tractor for any length of time, the seats tend to crack, just soak up water, and they get to be a pain. Replacing the seats kind of expensive. Sometimes it takes a little bit. I'm going to show you what we do here. It's an old trick that an old farmer that used to farm the ground for us taught me years ago, and it works, and it'll last until I've got the time to finally pull the old seat off and put a new one on. If you've had a tractor for any length of time, the seat will end up looking like this. I've tried Plasti Dip fixing it. I've tried liquid electrical tape, just different kinds of rubber. Nothing holds. And then I remembered something an old farmer that used to farm for us had told me years ago he did on his tractor. If you've got animals around the farm, you probably got feed bags. Probably go through quite a few of them. Take a feed bag. Yeah, it may not look the best, but it works. You don't have a wet butt if it rains. And look, I even got my chickens on there. But this works. I mean, it's a temporary fix. You go about 3-4 months, it'll start to break down. You throw another feed bag on there. It'll keep your butt dry, and until I get around to fixing the seat, at least I've got a temporary fix.